Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Today's a good day because I got a package in the mail and it's from Roger. Thatspapsknife63. Thank you very much. I was not expecting a big old box like this, but wow, it's a good day. Thank you, Paps. I appreciate it. Let's check out what's in here. And this little knife I'm using, I actually got from Paps and third place contest winner. It's a Kershaw. Alright, here we go. Let's see here. A little letter here. Basically just saying be careful, there's some sharp stuff in here. He's got a little bit of rest for me. Thanks a lot, Roger, I appreciate it. Here we go, I will be careful. Oh, wow. Oh. Okay, I got this. This is... I'm not even sure what this is. I guess it's a light of some sort. Key fob. It's a pretty cool little light right there. I will definitely put that on my keychain. Cool. Oh wow, look at that. That is awesome. This is a, what is this here? Mag, it says on the back. Let's see what we got going on. Very nice. These come in handy. Looking for raccoons in my backyard. Very cool, thank you. Oh wow. Oh, that's awesome. Check this out. Wow. These cups are cool. I wonder if these are for like camping, possibly? Or are these espresso cups? Very cool. Okay, this must be something sharp in here, I think. I'm thinking here. Yeah. And we got, scissors. Well, you know I love scissors too. These are perfect for nose hairs, huh? Very cool. Let's see. I should have worn my glasses. I can't read the name on these scissors. But their quality for sure, I could tell. Good for manscaping. Okay, there we go. Getting into the pocket knives here. This is, looks like an Imperial to me. That is a cool one. I have one similar to this one. This one, looks like it's got a broken blade here, but let me see what kind this is. You know, I can't read. I should have got my damn glasses. I don't know why. Can somebody bring me my glasses? Oh wow, look at that. Another Imperial fishing knife.
Here you go.
Alright. Thank you. Alright, I got my glasses on. I can read here. Yes. This is an old beat up Imperial. A lot of Imperials in here. That's a cool one here. A little bit of rust in there. And the lighting's off in here. Sorry guys, but it's got some patent numbers right here. That's a cool one. That'll clean up good. Another similar one. It's got a little bit of rust, and I'll try to clean that up a little bit. Get some box over here. That's an interesting one. It's got looks like it's got a gun on there, a ping pong paddle, a badminton paddle, some weights, and I can't really read what that says there. Anyway, that's a cool one, Pat. It's got a little bit of a snap to it still too. Well, this might be a long video, guys, so sorry. There's still some more to go through here. Oh wow, got a old timer. Got a little Imperial here. This is a cool one. Got a lot of blade left on it. But equal end jack there. Got the patent numbers here. I like that. That's a cool one. Alright, there's something here. Let's see. I feel like it's Father's Day already. Whoa. Yeah, these are sharp. Alright, here we go. Oh, looks like we got some butcher's knives here. Oh wow. Holy moly. Check that out, guys. Somebody used the heck out of that, that's for sure. Nice patina on it. Very cool. Definitely got the rust in there, Paps. Cool. Look like somebody carved their initials in here. I think that's it. Got everything here. I'm going to put everything in the middle here. Pap, I really don't know how to thank you enough. I appreciate your generosity, and you know, it's hard to know how to thank people sometimes because they're so generous. But you know, I just want to say I really appreciate these knives, and I love old knives, and I love the rust, and I appreciate it. So thank you very much, and I'll try to make a individual video out of some of these knives in the future. So talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.